Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, and now enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, draw your pattern, or any other password you've got. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with PIN. Got it. And now enter 4 to 16 digits. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password containing at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's go to Biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Tap add fingerprint. Confirm, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Now let's go to the last unlock method, which is face unlock. Tap start. Next, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.